Hi, welcome to Nature Trails. I'm Lenny, this is Don, we're the Pepper Bottoms. This is the tropical rainforest. Look how neat that is.
You know, Lenny, I think you're pretty darn neat.
You're pretty neat too, Don.
Oh, thanks.
Here in Nature, we try to tackle a little heat, just in case. There's all sorts of wild animals out here in the tropical rainforest. Some jaguars, some mountain cougars, some lions, some leopards. You never know what'll come out. And we don't want to scare the animals, we just want to say, hey, you're pretty neat. I want to respect your distance.
I just wanted a friend!
How neat is that? That's pretty neat.
This here is moss. Moss is classified as a bryophyte. It's also a type of land plant native to this tropical region. Ain't that neat, Don?
You know, that is pretty neat, Lenny. You know, it's just 5 centimeters tall, this little bed of grass. Well, it's really moss, I should say. It's really a nice bedding for native animals and Native Americans who live here. Ain't that neat, Lenny?
That's pretty neat, Don. Don, fun fact for you. In tropical rainforests, it rains on an average between 50 and 260 inches per year. How neat is that?
That's pretty neat, Lenny, I'm not gonna lie. Now, all that rain, what happens is it gets to all this runoff, and there's just tons of it. Ain't that neat?
There's a ton of runoff. That's pretty neat.
I mean, you could just like slap right in that water all day.
Don, go quick! Look at all this neatness! So much neatness in one place.
You know, I can barely handle it. Barely.
Look at that. That's pretty neat.